Valuation Fundamentals introduces the core skills of the valuation of equities. Whether you're working in M&A advisory, in equity research, on the buy side, or any other role in the corporate world, understanding how corporations are valued is essential. This session builds on a basic understanding of financial statement analysis, and by the end of the session, you'll have a fundamental understanding of the three primary valuation techniques used in the world of corporate finance and equities. Namely, you'll understand the difference between equity value and enterprise value, and how to value companies on the basis of a multiple or relative value. You'll also understand the basics of how to build a discounted cash flow model or fundamental valuation for a business. Finally, we'll briefly introduce levered valuation, or the techniques that private equity firms might use to assess the price they can afford to bid when they purchase a business. As always, the session is practical, hands-on, using real-life examples. Thank you.